Welcome to Mexico, where everyone belongs. Mexico, a place where everyone is embraced and life is truly celebrated. Here, in the heart of Puerto Vallarta, you'll find a community that thrives on warmth, inclusivity, and joy. In Mexico, you are free to be yourself, no judgment, no barriers. Your background, gender, race, beliefs, or age do not define you. Instead, what matters is how you choose to enjoy life. People here are genuinely welcoming, always ready to share a smile, a conversation, or a helping hand. Beyond its people, Mexico offers everything you could dream of: stunning natural beauty, breathtaking beaches, lush green landscapes, and modern comforts at a fraction of the cost compared to other countries. The low cost of living means you can enjoy a luxurious lifestyle without breaking the bank, from world-class dining and modern amenities to high-quality healthcare and affordable real estate. With year-round sunshine, a vibrant culture, and a relaxed way of life, Mexico isn't just a destination, it's a feeling, a home, a paradise. Come and experience true freedom, warmth, and happiness. In Mexico, you are always welcome. Welcome to our channel, where we showcase stunning properties in one of the most sought-after cities in Mexico by Canadians and Americans. Today, we're exploring Villa Monterrey, a breathtaking masterpiece that anyone would love to call home. Join me for an exclusive private tour of this magnificent villa. Villa Monterrey, a luxurious retreat in Puerto Vallarta's romantic zone. Perched atop the vibrant romantic zone in the exclusive Amapas neighborhood, Villa Monterrey captivates with its breathtaking views and striking modern architecture. Nestled in a prestigious gated community just minutes south of Old Town, this exquisite 7,000 square footage luxury villa is surrounded by lush tropical gardens and the majestic Sierra Madre Mountains, offering panoramic vistas of downtown Puerto Vallarta, the Pacific Ocean, and Banderas Bay. With floor-to-ceiling curved glass doors, the villa seamlessly blends indoor elegance with the beauty of its surroundings. Whether you're seeking a sophisticated designer home or a high-end investment property, Villa Monterrey is an unparalleled retreat, perfect for entertaining, relaxing, and indulging in the best of coastal luxury. Experience the essence of Puerto Vallarta's finest living. If you have any questions about moving to Mexico, buying property, or immigration, let an experienced lawyer answer them for free. Feel free to reach out, we're here to help. We bring you the latest updates on Mexican immigration, along with stunning properties and exclusive real estate tours. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button now. And stay informed and never miss out. Subscribe today, please.